Have your gemstones lost their sparkle? Has your gold lost its luster? For the ultimate brilliance on metal finishes, finish with Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream cleans, polishes, and leaves behind a protective barrier that delays and prevents tarnish from returning on your necklaces, rings, earrings, and more. It quickly polishes metals such as gold, silver, platinum, rhodium, sterling silver, titanium, stainless steel, rose gold, tungsten, copper, palladium, zinc, and more. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream restores and clarifies gemstones, including diamonds, emeralds, rubies, sapphires, amethysts, garnets, opals, jade, amber, turquoise, onyx, pearls, and more. Please note, some costume jewelry contains electroplated metal finish, and we do not recommend that you use Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream for these types of items. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream should not be used on costume jewelry or pearls. First, use sparingly and apply polish onto a microfiber. Do not let the polish dry, then immediately buff to a high luster. Restore heirlooms for the next generation with Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream.